Hi, it's Minik from Boxcar Marketing with your 1 minute marketing tip. And today's tip is about what to do if Chrome has updated and you've lost all your extensions or your extensions are not working. So I was clipping along today after a Chrome update. All my open tabs and everything looked the same and fine until I needed to use one of my extensions and they were all gone. I had nothing here. And in my extension, there was no list. When I went to manage extension, it appeared as if I was signed in and had never installed any extensions. I went to the web store. Again, everything looked as if I was starting fresh. And my Google searches did not help me with the setup. So what I ended up doing was I logged out of my Google account, I logged out of Chrome, I restarted everything. Same problem, extensions were blank, didn't appear there. Then I went to the Chrome settings and I made sure that sync was turned on, and I clicked the services section and manage what you sync. I made sure extensions was toggled on. In my case, it was toggled off, which I thought was weird. So I toggled it back on, and then I went to reset settings. And this was blank for a second. I didn't click on anything, and it just automatically started reinstalling all of my extensions. So they were definitely hidden and not appearing at all. It looked like I had 0 extensions installed, but that little trick worked. And then I tried it on another profile as well, where Chrome had updated, and I hadn't used that profile yet today. And sure enough, extensions were gone, and the same steps here helped resurrect them. So if you're stuck, I hope that helps. I'm Minik from Boxcar Marketing, and that's it for now. Thanks. Bye.